How to play videos on Dropbox PC. First things first, make sure Dropbox is opened up. You should see it right here in the hidden icons. It should show here Dropbox. If it does not, come here, search for Dropbox. You should have the app installed, and just go ahead and open up this software. Click on open. Now, if you already have it opened up, you will see this right here at the bottom right in the taskbar, the icon. Click on this. Now, what you're going to do here at the top right, click on the folder. Click on folder, and it will redirect you to your file explorer where you can choose all the folders you have access to. So let me open this one up that says legend. And as you can see right here, we have a video. All I have to do is double click it like I would on any other normal video in my PC, and I should be able to watch this video. As you can see, it is currently loading up. How to play videos on Dropbox PC. There you go, guys. You watch it like you would with any other normal video. Really that easy and simple.